How to delete a Rednote message. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a Rednote message. So let's get started. First things first, open the Rednote app. Now here you will see the messages on this messages right here. Tap on messages. Now open the message inbox. Now once you open it, you will see these three dots in the top right. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you will see clean chat history. Simply tap on clean chat history and just tap on confirm. Go back. As you can see, your chat history has been deleted successfully. And that's it. Deleting the chat history is super easy in Rednote. You can just repeat the same process for all the messages you want to delete from here. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.